Okay, so this is we'll call it part 2, but I'm just going to write in the next video. So the last video, if you watched it, I sifted the sand because this tank was not spraying. It would just get clogged up. So I sifted the sand. I had a bag like play sand. You know, it looks, when you look at it, it looks fine enough, but it's not. So anyway, here's the piece I just sandblasted. I didn't want to do it with the camera on because it hit the lens. Worked really good. This is a cross member for the transmission. But there's a secret to this, if anybody buys one. Let's see if I can do this. So, you, this valve down here on the bottom, keep this closed. Like, that's closed, okay? So that's the last valve you're gonna open. What you do is you make sure that's closed. Make sure this valve up here is closed. Fill it up. Put it in here. Open that. Fill it up. You know, once there's sand in there, make sure this is tight, of course. So then open this valve. This lets air through. It hits here, so I'd say 3/4 of the way open. And then open the, let's see if I can do this with one hand, open this all the way, or 3/4 of the way. Next, so, okay, so no sand is coming out yet. And then open this bottom valve. And you just open it slowly. Because if you open this valve first, before you open the spray valve, it'll just fill up with sand and just kind of clog up just because there's so much. It gets overwhelmed. So one more time, fill it up. Open this one fills up the tank. This one's off. That one's off. Now that it's full, your sand is in there. Make sure this is, I wouldn't go real tight, you just wreck the washer. Just go tight. Open this valve about like that. Then open your nozzle valve, the one on the hose where the sand comes out. Open that all the way. Then reach under while you're holding it away from you. Not, you know, definitely not pointed at you. And start opening this. At first, nothing will come out. Just keep opening it and opening it, and then all of a sudden it'll work. And I'd say open it as far as you can to get as much sand as you want. And then I wore ear protection. I wore my prescription safety glasses, and I also wore a face shield, which is right over there. And I wore some welding gloves, long ones. You can still feel the stuff hitting you, but it's not bad. But you don't want stuff in your eye. And I didn't wear a mask. I forgot to wear a mask. But I was outside. Anyway, that's it. Now I'm going to move on to something else. I just wanted to get my sandblaster working. Again, that one I couldn't get it working, so I went and bought this these glass beads. But if I ever use them up, let's see, this comes with the light, by the way. Let's see if we can see inside. You can see that residue. That's the glass bead, that white stuff. And it's really fine. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Not really. Anyway, that is it. Now I'm going to go back to what I was doing in the first place. I'm going to put Bondo underneath the car. I keep getting sidetracked from one thing to the next to the next. Oh, and there's one more thing. Let's see if we can see it. There's some rust back here. I don't know what you can see up in there. I don't have a light down here right now. But that back panel. This is the back, at the back of the car. There's no way I can clean it, so I bought that little, this little gravity feed sprayer. And I'm gonna spray that. Do I want to buy all this stuff? Not really. But at the same time, it's kind of interesting. That's it. I just was talking about the other sandblaster. I am gonna try this little gravity feed. I just gotta I'm gonna put my mask on and stuff, and I'll do it. Just hang on. Okay. Adjusting the lights, it's falling over. First time with us. There we go. I'll take my mask off. Okay, it does work, as you can see. Well, right now my hair is full of sand. You know what there is? There's some undercoating on here. So I would take the undercoating off first and then do it. But it definitely went down to it. So, what is my opinion? Be ready to get messy. You know, now I think about it, I think a hood came with the other sandblaster. I just don't know what I did with it. But it will work. Anyway, I'm just thinking about other things. That's it. Okay, I'm back on. I'll share the hood. This came with the other sandblaster. So I'm going to try it one more time. Okay. Put my gloves on. I got my mask on. I got earplugs. I got my safety glasses. Can't see nothing. There I can. Okay. My opinion is, if you're gonna use this gun, you gotta keep it level. You go like that, forget it. Because it's feeding into here. You can see that. Once you go like that. So this is good if you're working on a level area. And this hood, maybe it's because I had my glasses on, but it's fogged up right away. So going to that last video, if you can see me, looks like the camera's sagging. I don't know. I'd use the other sandblaster for that. Oh, one more thing. You would think that you need this valve turned that way. Put that's off. That is on. Not sure why. I guess because the sand is coming down that way.